Hey guys. Okay, so hold up. Thumbnail. Okay, anyways. So I'm doing a B-dub-dub mukbang. And this is mango habanero traditional and this is wild traditional. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, and I got ranch over here. You guys know I love ranch. You already know what I think about wings. You have to eat the whole thing. Got a little baggie right here. We're gonna try wild. So yesterday I was doing a mukbang, like an extra one. Well, okay, so I had the other one that I posted yesterday, extra from last week, but I didn't edit it or upload it. So I did that yesterday. And the one I did yesterday, I freaking was wiping my face, patting it with like a napkin, because I stay doing that all the time. Anyway, I didn't notice I had a piece of paper stuck on my forehead the whole mukbang. It was just, freaking embarrassing. I might upload it though. That was embarrassing. I told my mom about it, and she just said just upload it. Throughout like the whole video, I had it right here. Most embarrassing shit ever. That was good. Yep. I couldn't stop laughing at myself. Mm-hmm. Like, I like my wings, like my favorite thing, but the big ones kind of scare me. But they're bomb. Enough to scare me away from eating them, you know? But yeah. Freaking mukbang. I might not. I thought it was funny. You guys, so that like tragedy, you guys, I'm not into, you know, basketball or any sport, as you can tell. Anyway, it was just so sad. Like, you grow up hearing about this person and for their life to just be taken in a blink of an eye. It's just sad. And I don't know, man. It makes you kind of rethink life and how short it is. And it also makes you see like what impact he had, and you know, the type of person he was. Makes you want to just be a better, much more better person. I don't know. It's spicy. That's spicy. I'm sorry. Favorite wings. Spicy. If you guys watch any other mukbangers, I would highly suggest, if you like messy eating, moaning, smacking, go watch Steven Sushi and tell him I sent you. He's one of like my favorite mukbangers, and his sister Ari's Appetite. I love watching them. They're like two of my favorite mukbangers. Let me see who else. Everybody Loves B Loves, and then B Loves Life. And then who else? Stephanie Sue. If you like listening to like cool stories, like any crime stories and things like that, or just Reddit stuff or things in that nature, go watch her. She's really good at it. It was so good. Let me see. Damn. This is really spicy, but it's really good. Maybe if I mix a little bit of this one. I got a couple friends that want to come on and do a mukbang with me, which I'm excited about. I just gotta coordinate it. Eat all the meat off the bone, okay, you guys? I'll put it down. It's spicy. I'm like, I feel like burping. I'm getting full. Should I eat one more? I'm gonna eat one more and then I'll be done. I'll eat this little one. Okay. I'm done. I'm full. I'm satisfied. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and thank you for all the people who are supporting me and, you know, giving thumbs up and leaving comments. Thank you a lot. till the next video. Bye.